Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cherry ripe inspired Bliss Ball. It's basically a Bliss Ball with the flavour of a cherry ripe. Cherry ripe's the bar, I think it's just Australian actually, and my boy Mitchell really likes them, so I'm making these kind of for him. It's really simple and it doesn't take that long, so we're going to do it now. This is what you need. 150 grams of dried cherries, and these are also pitted. They kind of look like sultanas, but they're cherries. About 1 tablespoon of honey. This is optional, depending on how sweet you want your Bliss Balls. You can always swap the honey for rice malt syrup or golden syrup as well if you want to make this vegan. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 70 grams of desiccated coconut, 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, 150 grams of pitted dates. Now, if your dates are a little bit hard, I recommend just putting a little bit of boiling water over them and let them soak for about 1 to 2 minutes to soften up. And then some extra cocoa powder and desiccated coconut to roll them in. What we're going to do is put all of this into our food processor, blend it in our toppings, and they're done. Oh, so simple, I love it. Just don't add too much of the liquid from the dates, just the dates themselves. Forgot to add that, otherwise they'll be way too watery. Don't do that. Oh my god, yum. It basically looks like the inside of a cherry ripe, but without it being really artificially pink. I'm going to roll about half of these in desiccated coconut and half of these in cocoa powder. I'm going to use about a tablespoon per bowl. Okay guys, so that's how you make my cherry ripe inspired Bliss Balls. They're really good, I love them. I'm not sure if Flavia is the biggest fan of cherry ripes. She's not, but I'm gonna get her to try it anyway because cherry ripes. So yes, so let's eat. Which one do you want?
This one.
This one's mine.
Okay. That was Mitchell.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, with coconut. Try it with this one. Is he in the shot?
Probably not.
You love them, don't you? Flavia just doesn't really like coconut or cherry.
If I were forced to eat them, I would eat them.
Oh, shut up. Cherry ripe is one of those chocolates where you either love it or you hate it.
I'm not a fan of cherry ripe. It's not terrible. I can appreciate the flavors, but I'm not a fan. I just don't.
That's fine. I'll eat
like
them.
dates.
Me and Mitch will eat them.
I don't like dark chocolate. I'm
Awesome.
sorry. If
Nope.
you like those things, then
If you like cherry ripe, you will like these. I can guarantee that. Oh, bish. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that, or something awesome game related.